Jen.
Yeah.
It's been a while since we made a cool video.
You're right, it's been forever.
You wanna do something fun?
Yes.
Do you wanna go to Japan?
Yes!
Let's go to Tokyo! So on AirAsia they only allow you to bring one carry-on luggage, but Jen wants to bring two, so let's see how she solved this. Yeah, Jen, Hunchback of Notre Dame, no one is ever gonna notice.
There's nothing bad there.
I'm just afraid that we get put on some non-fly list.
So finally.
It's kind of like AirAsia business class. Hopefully we can lay down and get ourselves a redneck first class.
Yeah. So how was your sleep?
I had that whole road to myself. Always with Japanese Airbnbs, it's like a treasure hunt. This is our first hint. Yes! And inside, there's another lock. Woo! And inside, there's another key. Okay, now we're just gonna figure out what to do with this key. Hey. Well, check this out. They put the slippers for us.
How cute is this? Where?
I thought I could take that.
Where are your legs? Oh my god. You look like Buddy from Elf.
We're walking the streets and it's always super quiet in Tokyo. As soon as you get out of the main streets, it's super quiet. So now what we want to do is we're gonna go find some food, and as soon as we're eaten, we're gonna have to go find some Halloween costumes.
Yay.
Because tomorrow is the big day. Wow. Oh, perfect. But then you have to be Belle.
This is the ugliest costume. That's perfect. You're gonna look beautiful.
What size is that? Is it one size fits all? Damn. So in Japan, if you're a successful businesswoman, you don't always have time to go out and pick up guys. So then you can go rent some hosts. These dudes are the top hosts at the moment.
Sorry, Simen. I think I might go for Naoto.
Taiki, Shuto, and Hikaru are so hot right now. Yeah. Nice titties. Where can I find that guy? Oh, there.
They look so cute.
発車です。この後電車は続いて